What's up, guys? Today we're building up a Dyno Zone from 1999. Stickers are in really good shape. These are the original stickers. Actually, this whole frame is in really nice shape. It's got the Tektro U-brakes on the rear, little GT clamp over there. We got a bunch of parts. So we got a Dyno sprocket, Dyno stem, yellow KMC chain. We got the original crank. Check out the GT logo. We have some VP bear trap pedals, Dyno bars, blue Amy grips. These are really cool. We have GT screw-on pegs. Check out these cool Odyssey bar ends. Dominator plastic seats. We have the original gyro and bottom brackets, Odyssey race cable for the front, and a Volcal gyro cable. We got an Era Correct Tektro brake lever set. And we got the Dyno forks with the Tektro front brakes. We got Panaracer tires with these cool ACS GT Z rims. And we got an ACS freewheel. So this is gonna be a fun one. Let's get to the build. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? We finished up this Dyno Zone. Thing's super chroming, really nice. Check out the stickers. Everything is original. Very, very cool, very nice shape. Let's go through the parts. We have the Odyssey hammerhead bar ends, Amy grips, brand new Tektro levers. We have some Volcal gyro cables. These are the original Dyno bars and Dyno stem. Original gyro and headset. We put on these Tektro brakes, original forks, Panaracer tires with ACS Stealth mag wheels, Dice valve cap. These are the VP pedals, 1/2 inch, original GT crank and sprocket. We put on a yellow chain, GT clamp and the original post, Dominator plastic seat. These are some Tektro brakes. Everything is super mint. Panaracer tire, ACS wheel, ACS freewheel, and a valve cap on the back. We also have the GT pegs. So this thing came out awesome. I hope you guys enjoy. We'll put a bunch of dyno builds from this era. Make sure to check those out as well and comment your thoughts. Please like, share, subscribe, We'll see you soon.